If you like to have fun, then you're going to like this game. Because Don't Mess With Cthulhu is a masterpiece in its simplicity, chaotic moments, and sheer fun. But our copy is very worn out, as you can see from this flashlight token. So I had an idea to make a new flashlight token that would be 3D printed and have an actual LED light in it. So I'm going to show you the design process here in a second, but if you haven't had a chance to play this game, you really need to try it. And having this flashlight in there just sets the mood, the ambiance. You can turn down the lights. It's just really fun. And Twinkie's not impressed. So what other games have a component that gets worn out really badly and needs a cool upgrade like this? Let me know if you think of anything, and if I add it to my shop, maybe I'll give you one for free.